You've probably heard about the fact that Germans love to invent these long, compound nouns that explain an entire concept within one single word. Let's take a look at some poetic compound nouns. Fernweh. Fern means distant and weh means ache.
It's like a nostalgia for places that you haven't visited yet but would love to see.
Kopfkino. This literally translates to the cinema in your head. We've all been in situations where we play the most unlikely scenarios in our head. Whether it's encountering a handsome man on the street and oops, 2 seconds later you're sitting under a palm tree in Malibu together, or simply daydreaming about quitting your job and finally pursuing the career of your dreams. Your Kopfkino is the cinema in your head that allows you to entertain even the most curious thoughts. This is a fun topic, right? Lingoda is all about learning languages in a fun and engaging way.